Hello everyone, welcome to African Youth Food. I hope everybody is doing well. Happy New Year to you all. Today we have corned beef pie for you guys. So we have our flour here. We have about 500 grams of flour, self-raising flour. And here we have our corned beef. And we have our diced onion. We have milk, nutmeg, and chicken stock that we're going to season our dough with. So please stay tuned. And we have also our margarine here that we're going to add also. So please stay tuned. First we're going to add our chicken stock here, chicken seasoning as well, chicken sauce. We're going to add this into our flour. So I have 2 teaspoons of it. Then also the nutmeg, 1 teaspoon. Add that into it also, and I'm going to mix them together. Yeah, you can use your hands as well. Yeah, I'm using a spoon, but you can use your hand. Yeah, make sure it's mixed properly together nicely. I'm going to add a little bit more, so half of it, the chicken stock. Okay, so mix them together. Now I'm going to add my margarine. So I have a tablespoon here. I'm going to add about 5 tablespoons of margarine. 2, 3, and 4, then 5 into it. Okay, and now we're going to do our crumb. We're going to mix it like that. Yeah, you mix it until you get like a breadcrumb. Yeah, so here, this is what you do. The tip of your finger, yeah, that's it. All of it, make sure it's done, mixed properly, and there's no butter or margarine hanging around. I forgot to mention, you can use butter as well, not just margarine. You can use butter. So this is what you're looking for. Look at this. Yeah, that's it. Everything is done properly. So I'm going to add my milk. So the milk, I have 2 cups, but I'm not going to use all of it. Yeah, that's it. So what you do, separate them into 2. On the side you put a hole in the middle, and then you add your milk gradually, not all of it at one time. Yeah, gradually. So first one, you start mixing. You mix it like that, bit by bit, and then you add another one. You see. So this is it. Yeah, we have finished doing our dough. So now it's done. I'm going to wrap this and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes before I can start doing anything. So we use a clear film. And this is the clear film. I'm going to wrap it like that. If you don't have clear film, you can use any plastic bag of your choice. That's it. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge. That's it for 30 minutes. So here I have added a bit of oil in here, a tiny bit of oil, not much. Yes, so I'm going to add my diced onion, and then I'm just going to fry it a bit for 2 minutes, and I can add the corned beef into it. So now I'm adding the corned beef in there. Try to break it into small pieces. So I'm going to do this one for about another 3 minutes also, and it'll be ready. And I'll add pepper as well, because I like it when it's spicy. I'm going to add, but you don't have to, it's optional. So I'm adding my chili powder. I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder that I'm adding into the corned beef. Like I said earlier, it's optional, you don't have to. So that's it, our corned beef is done. I'm going to put this into our bowl here and start our pie. We have taken the flour from the fridge. It has been 30 minutes. I have added a bit of flour on my worktop here. So I'm going to put the flour in here and start rolling. And a bit of flour here on the roll, like that. And I'm going to roll. Okay, you roll. Not too thin, not too thick. Yeah, in between. Right, look at this. It's so rich that it's breaking. Okay. So I have rolling the dough flat enough, so I'm going to use this pot lid to cut it. It's very good, so I'm going to cut them. Here, I'll do the first one for you to see. That's the first one. I'm going to do the second one. Okay, so I'm going to finish everything here. I have finished cutting them. Now I'm going to do the filling. I'm going to add the corned beef. Okay. It's not going anywhere, so you can put as much as you want. You're eating at home, so you can feel it properly. In my brush, you can dip your brush in water, but I have milk here. I'm using milk here, but you can use water as well. So I'm going to brush the whole around it like that. The other one. So when you close it, it will close properly. Like that. Do all of them. So now I'm closing this one for you to see. Yeah. That's it. And you tap your hands. Make sure so that it's sealed properly. And then once you finish, you put your finger, or you can use fork as well. You put your finger here, there, to seal it. Like that. Yeah. See? Look how beautiful this looks. Yeah. The fork, what you do here, you press it down to seal it like that. See? That's it. See? It's nice as well. Now I'm going to do the holes. So what you do is stick your fork in there. I'll do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, so now my milk, half of my milk, I have added egg in there, egg yolk. So mix it, and I'm going to egg wash the pie before putting it in the oven. So this is what we do. Wash it, make sure it goes everywhere nicely. Okay. So now we're done. We have egg wash the pie, and also make sure when you're putting your pie on a parchment paper, you leave space in between, yeah, so they don't stick together. That's it. So my oven is on for the past 20 minutes now. It's on 180 degrees, so it's going there for between 20 to 25 minutes. That's it, yeah. Okay, so the meat pie is done. You can see, look at this, beautiful, nice and fluffy. It smells nice. Yep. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for coming today. If it was your first time coming to our channel, we welcome you and thanks for staying and watching us today. So we see you again. Please like, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. And see you. Bye.